Hi friends, we have another doubt on positional tolerance. Can you please confirm why divided by 2 is added? Can you please elaborate? This question is related to fixed fasteners formula. The positional tolerance for fixed fastener is maximum material condition of the hole minus maximum material condition of the fastener divided by 2. So the viewer's question is why should be divided by 2? To understand this, let us take an example. There are two plates which are fastened together with a bolt. One of the plate is having a threaded hole, the other one is having a free hole. Now when we want to manufacture these two plates, then we have to give positional tolerance to both the plates. In ideal condition, if there is a clearance in the plate or top plate, then the maximum it can move is to the extent of the clearance. But since there is no clearance at all in the bottom plate, it cannot move, but it will have a positional error. So to understand this better, we take an example. There is a diameter 6.6 hole on the top plate here, and we have M6 tabbed hole on the bottom plate here, and we are going to fasten it with a M6 bolt. In ideal condition, there is a 0.6 clearance on the top plate diametrically, which means that the radial gap is 0.3. Now, strictly speaking, the top plate can move by its position by 0.3. But as I said earlier, that the bottom plate should also have a positional tolerance. So what we have done is this 0.3 clearance is equally distributed between the top plate and the bottom plate. That is why we are dividing it by 2. So when the hole is 6.6, then we give a positional tolerance of 0.3 so that the top plate can shift from its true position on one extreme direction by 0.15, and the bottom plate can shift on the opposite direction by 0.15. So both put together, the positional error will not exceed 0.3 so that the bolt can be assembled properly. Hope the answer is clear.